A very good evening. Welcome to the Hot and Spicy. Saturday's here. I'm always happy to see you. Thanks for joining me. Right, something different I've thought up. Doesn't look, I don't know if it looks appetizing to you. I know it's not the full hit of burger with everything on it, cheese, everything. For me, I just want the heat, as weird as that sounds. So, you may have seen there, that is the Carolina Reaper burgers from Iceland. So they're not homemade, they're not as good as homemade, but the heat is there and they're the best for heat. Well, unless you make your own at home probably, but these buns are tiger bread. It's some coating on the top. Some say it's Marmite, I don't know. I thought it was some form of cheese or something, but whatever it is, it's nice. So there's I've toasted the buns in the oven, roasted the burgers obviously. Oh, and these are Iceland, and I couldn't remember if I've tried them. Firecracker, and they're the hottest scale. In fact, we'll have a Mrs. H tried one or two of these and she said they were hot. Talk about that in a minute. Well, there's nothing yet, so we'll see how it builds up. Yeah, so I cooked the burgers, put these in the oven, split them in half, put them in the oven just to crisp up a bit. Salted butter on the base of the bun, lettuce, iceberg, then the burger. Then I've used, just again trying it out, a pickled onion sliced up. So you got the vinegar, then a tomato, then I've got some Reaper sauce. You can't see it, can you? It's on the top of this tomato, it is. It's stuck there on the top. So you got the Reaper burger, Reaper sauce. There is no heat for me on that. I'm just getting like a peppery taste, but they're nice change. Right, have you heard of a Carlin Chaser as a drink? No, you haven't. Nor have I, because it doesn't exist, I don't think. Well, I'm having a Carling pre-shave. Make a good pre-shave. Pre-drink. So this is the main, another one of them. Lovely stuff. But this is the wet the whistle, so cheers. Come on, let's sort it out. Right. Oh, I recommend that. Whew, that's lovely. So put that one side there, and we'll use the rest of it for a Carlin Chaser. That's a new trend. Right. This is strong stuff. This 5.6. Oh, not so bad. 5.6, that's only 4%, you see. Alright. Are you glad it's the weekend? I am. We've had storm after storm, and I hope you've been okay through them. Depends where you are in the country, doesn't it? That's lovely, isn't it? Beautiful, that. Not far off a Guinness like type of thing. Right, let's get into it. Come on. See the pickled onions? It's different. Lovely bread. Oh, the pickled onion. If you haven't tried it, it's not too much. It's not too vinegary. It's it's hint of vinegar, onion, burger taste. That's lovely. Move that one side. Ooh. To hell with it. Let's go the whole hog. Got a joke for you in a minute. No, not another one. Yeah, another. So what are your plans this weekend if you're not working? Not if you're working. I hope you're having a good weekend so far anyway. Oh, that's nice. So the heat now, that's the burger heat, I can tell that. The sauce, oh, that's this. So the burger, you get in as you chew it, the heat there. The sauce is in my mouth, so the whole mouth's getting a kick. And this just adds to it. If you're not keen on heat, it'd be too much probably. Mrs. H said these were hot. Yeah, I can't taste it. I had a lovely thing happen this last week. My grandfather, you know the video I did with my father's grave. The first video. Anyway, cheers, I'll tell you now. Oh, that's smooth, that is. That's lovely, you know, cold as well. I like that. That is nice. Anyway, I did the cemetery video, didn't I? The grave, and last week a lady contacted me. And she is the granddaughter of my grandfather's brother, who's also buried in that cemetery. Another one, David. So I'll go back again. But it's lovely to be in contact. She's my second cousin. She came. I'm not sure if you're watching this, Madeline, but if you are, really nice to speak to you. So I'm going to email her and you know, chat about sort of my side of the family, and then the other one's tipped over. Yeah, really nice. She lives down in London now. Interesting stuff, you know, when you find out family and stuff like that, isn't it nice? Label or something tickling me, I get out of it. Oh, it's a lovely burn. Now, they're not, the burgers on their own, I don't find, they're hot, but I don't find them, how can I put it? It's nice as a snack, obviously, and because I've had them on their own with chips and, you know, peas and things like that. But they're a nice heat, but I like this now. I'm getting tomato, this coating flavour, the hot sauce, the vinegary sort of tomato, onion, but all combined. That's lovely heat. Wow. So you get a lovely kick with the combo of the sauce. Do we can? No, you can't tell. I can't show you the sauce. It's on my lips now. Yeah. Oh yeah, wash it, put it back. Wash it, put it back. It's a nice bird. Hot sauce, baby. Combo of two. As I say, on their own, just a nice kick. When you add in hot sauce, and the two, one's in the mouth, one's in the, whew, lovely. And it's not a cool room as well, so that helps. Right, joke, see if I can do it. I'll have to, how can I put this now? It's meant to be another, right, there's this Welshman, there we go, I can make fun of my own. This Welshman is on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire with Chris Tarrant. And he's won up to he's on the million question. And he's got one lifeline left, phone a friend. So the question was, what bird does not make a nest? Heron, blackbird, sparrow, or a cuckoo? Oh, he said, I'm going to have to phone a friend. So he phones his friend. He said, the question is, what bird does not make a nest? And he says, a heron, blackbird, sparrow, or a cuckoo? Oh, he says the cuckoo. Definitely cuckoo. So he said, well, that's my final answer, cuckoo. And he won, because it is, you know. So anyway, a few days later, after winning, he meets his friend, who he phoned, and he says, how the hell did you know? He said, a cuckoo doesn't make a nest. Oh, he says, come on, he said, you stupid sod. Everybody knows the cuckoo lives in a clock. Well, I laughed at it. All that, just for that bit. Sunday dinner tomorrow is going to be, well, may not happen. And the reason being, I'm going out to meet another YouTuber. So on the shaving channel side, he's coming from down south, I think, with his wife. They're on holiday here in North Wales. So I'm going to meet him with another YouTube shaver, and there was to be another one, but transportation issues sort of thing, so we'll see. So I'll be going out to that tomorrow, and then we're going to, after that, we're going to see Mrs H's family. Well, one of them, not all of them. And the reasons I say there may not be a Sunday dinner, sometimes you could go to these places, and especially on farms and things like that, dinner, they're very kind, you know, the big dinner, and so it might be done for me, if you know what I mean, but otherwise it'll be a quick one in the evening, which I've got pork chops. Well, I bought a joint actually, and I've chopped. I'll just take a couple of them out the freezer. I'm doing tonight actually, in case, and then have them, you know, just some chips and peas or something in the evening. I may finish them off with them. That's an idea. The rest of them, 2 pork chops, marrow fat peas, and then that's no gravy, not with that, and that's it. Lovely. God, I think it's the first time I said no gravy in it. I've buggered this up, look, in bits. Imagine this in a... You wouldn't see this in a professional video, would you? But lovely. As I say, it's not a double whop and cheese and, you know, all that sort of stuff, but it's, I'm getting what I want, and it's a lovely taste. I'm getting heat. Burning. The sauce and the burgers together, but still flavoursome, not losing the flavour, so I'm happy with that. God, having a drink, come on. Did I ask you what's on your menu? I'm so sorry, how rude. Good grief. Damn good host I am. Yeah. Pardon? Thank you. Yeah, so what are you having? If you having anything? Somebody, oh, that's nice, that. Just hit the sauce and the burger. Oh, it's nice. Oh, come on, keep going, baby. Ooh, that was nice. What else is that to tell you? Oh no, that's the other channel, yeah. Nothing really, because it's the same whole thing, innit? Work, home, but I look forward to this. Your company. And these are very tasty, even though they're not hot. But if you haven't got a palate for heat, these might be. Mrs. H said they were hot. She found them. Yeah, they're hot. Because they were marked quite high, which is strange for Iceland, because they're usually good on the heat. But it's usually the hot stuff has warnings, caution, Carolina Reaper, and all that type of stuff. But these have got a little sort of, as you've seen probably in a thing there, did I show you a video or something of it? Of the packet. It's like a thermometer of this, and it's at the top, but it's not, you know. No, at least not for me. Sometimes I wish I could carry on talking and go through that as well. Do you want an hour video? No, well I know there's some people, yeah. But more people, no. There we go. Beautiful. I'll tell you what I have bought is a new thing in Iceland, I think. Cathedrals, you know the cheese, Cathedral City. We like it. We buy different types of cheeses. They've got a flatbread, cheesy flatbread. So I've got that in the fridge. So I'm going to try that this week. It may make a good combination with the curry, you see. I tend to try things first, see if I like them, see if it'll work. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. That's a nice little sort of Saturday night snack. Nothing over the top. Because the old, as I say, and I didn't want to go over the top because I'm out tomorrow with, you know, meeting people, and if we have a meal in Mrs. H's family and so I don't overdo it. But look at this, I feel it trickling again. That is nice. That's a lovely, that's a nice thing. That starter, shall we say, wet and whistle, that's a good idea, that. Just, and then start on the main crop. Because you don't really want a neck there, you'll enjoy it. That's lovely. Right. I shall waffle on no more. I told you everything. You've had the joke, you didn't laugh. I don't blame you. But if you did, I hope you enjoyed it. Is that it? I think so. Yeah, so have a great weekend. If you follow me tomorrow, I'll see you in the morning on Paul H Films. As I say, I'll film a couple of clips of this meetup or a few photos. It's only a quick one, just an hour or so, as the chap's going home, but I'll explain more on the other channel. I'll put a clip of it in one of my shaves probably. Yeah, so that's it. So have a great weekend, stay safe. If you're having anything to eat, enjoy it. If you're having a couple of Swift ones, enjoy them, and I'll see you in the next video. So look after yourselves, take care, and bye bye. Cheers.